Am I the only one that didn't know work chores could be so tricky? It seems like every day there's a new challenge waiting for us at the office. From endless paperwork to organizing files, the tasks just keep piling up. Let's dive into Mike and John's day. These two have a unique way of handling their daily chores, and it's always interesting to see how they manage to keep things light-hearted.
Mike, hey John, have you finished organizing the files? It feels like we've been at it for hours.
John, almost, Mike. It's never ending. Every time I think I'm done, more files appear out of nowhere.
How about you? Done with the reports? Mike, almost there. Just a few more to go. Did you see the pile of mail we need to sort? It's like it never stops coming.
John, oh, don't remind me. Laughs. It's like we're running a mailroom here. It's like every day there's more. Just when you think you're caught up, another stack appears.
Mike, tell me about it. Sometimes it feels like we're just treading water. But at least we get to chat while we work. It makes the time go by faster.
John, true, and it's nice to have someone to share the workload with.
And hey, teamwork makes the dream work, right? When everyone pitches in, even the toughest tasks become manageable.
Mike, absolutely. We can get through anything as long as we stick together. Let's tackle it together. We'll be done in no time.
John, deal, let's get started. Let's start with the mail then. It's always good to get the small stuff out of the way first.
Mike, good idea. Once we clear this, the rest will seem easier. First one to finish gets a coffee. How about that for some motivation?
John, you're on. I could use a good cup of coffee right now.
Chores at work can be a lot, but with a friend, it's all good. Keep going, team. Remember, a little bit of teamwork and a positive attitude can make even the most mundane tasks enjoyable.